Hey everyone, it's time for it's time for another mural project. I'm actually standing on a ladder right now, so there we go. I'm gonna show you the entire process of how I create a wall mural. If you guys and gals are interested in making your own murals, this is the process of how I would paint a mural. How's everyone doing? I hope you are well and alive and kicking, and for those artists out there, I hope you are making art too. We're here at the annex building of Our Lady of Lutes, and I'm gonna paint a fireman or fire lady over here where this fire extinguisher is. Let's do this, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. You're with Alvin Mark. In this one episode, we're gonna learn how I go about painting a mural. We're gonna run through the whole entire process, just because it's a small enough mural, so that you see how it's done, and maybe you can actually use this method to make your own murals for your room, your parents' room, or your kitchen, or I don't know, your living room or something, neighbor's backyard. Yeah. Let's do this, everyone. Is this on? Haven't been using this for a long time. I'm gonna run through the steps with you right now, how it's done. So from online, I picked up a few images. It's supposed to be a lady fireman over here and a male one over there. So starting with these, I got some images of lady firemen that I thought might be really cool. And the only thing I have to incorporate is having this fire hydrant as part of the mural. So it looks like the fireman or fire lady, firewoman is actually holding the fire extinguisher. Yeah, so I'm gonna choose one, and I think I'm gonna probably go ahead with this one over here. It's a little bit blurred. This is very important. Make sure you bring all your materials on site. I use acrylic paints, brushes of all kinds, palettes, and also cleanup material. I'm gonna use a pencil next to mark out the outline of the lady, and then I'm gonna start filling in with big colors, followed by the mid-size shapes, like these strips and colors, and then go into the finer details like the eyes and the hair and all of that. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy it while I sweat it out on this side of the screen. Hey everyone, guess what? We're done! Ta-da! Yeah, and I managed to put back the real fire extinguisher, which makes the thing look more... It's like a mesh between the real wall and the art wall, right? Yeah. So over onto the other side. It's really humid today. Let's run through the process all over again and see how much can we remember. But I'm here now, and I'm tasked to paint a fireman over here on this wall where it kind of connects with that fire extinguisher over there. So I made a quick sketch based on this. I'm gonna remove this to begin the painting process. And let's see how fast we can nail this one down. Thanks for tuning in. You're with me again on my art channel. If you're new here, remember to subscribe so you get to see art being made outdoors. Very few people do that and record themselves outdoors because it's a feat to paint and make videos outdoors. So For those who have been with me, thank you, thank you, thank you. Here we go. That's a wrap, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's a small little piece. It was a day's job. Did it in about 4 hours. I hope you enjoy watching the whole process. Really short episode. So hopefully you've gained some inspiration and now you're ready to head to that room, that backyard, or wherever to make some murals. But thanks again for tuning in. This is Alvin. You tune into my art channel. It's time to take a break and then maybe go scout out for more jobs, more projects to do so that you guys can be entertained. Until the next episode, ciao ciao.